Hello guys, Tiffany here. So in this video I'm gonna do the military diet. So that's a week-long diet where they give you a very detailed instruction meal plan for 3 days to follow. Then for the other 4 days you on a 1500 calorie diet of anything of your choice that's healthy or whatever like that. I'm going to try my best to maintain 1500 calories a day. That's kind of pushing it a little bit for me. And my current weight is 142 pounds. So this is, you know, a little winter weight that I gained, which is okay, but I'm very curious about this diet. Did I lose 10 pounds in 3 to 7 days? After 3 days, I lost 5.8 pounds. After 7 days, I lost a total of 7.4 pounds. Not quite 10 pounds, but that's still pretty good. Here's my body before the diet. So I decided to skip working out for a week so I could really see the results of the diet. And here's my body after the 7 days. Not a huge difference. That's why I'm more into losing inches instead of losing weight. There's my stats again. My goal was to lose 10 pounds, but the total loss was 7.4 pounds. And here's my journey on my military diet. This is my breakfast for the first day. Toast it up. Looks pretty done. Okay, now it's put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Spread that peanut butter. Super duper thick. So I'm gonna use Earl Grey. So here's my breakfast. Half a grapefruit, slice of toast with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and some tea. Yeah, okay. Man, I need some water. For lunch, I'm preparing a half a cup of tuna, 1 slice of toast, and some tea. So I'm gonna get some Earl Grey again. So here's my lunch. I wasn't really feeling this tuna at all. Day 1 for dinner, 3 ounces of any type of meat, 1 cup of green beans, and a half a banana. I use a veggie burger instead of meat. And here's an apple for my good girl. And 1 cup of vanilla ice cream for me. Hey guys, this is day 2 of my military diet. My breakfast is 1 egg, however I like, so scrambled. Again, 1 slice of toast and a half a banana. You remember from yesterday, I ate a half a banana. I put the other half in the refrigerator, so I'm going to eat that. Day 2 of the military diet. I'm going to put the egg on top of the toast. So my egg is finished boiling. So I'm going to let that cool down for a second. Next I'm going to get my 5 crackers and my 1 cup of cottage cheese. I'm just going to place my cottage cheese in here so I can know I put exactly 1 cup on my plate. I don't feel like guessing. This is easier. So here's my lunch. 5 crackers, 1 cup of cottage cheese, and 1 boiled egg. Day 2 for dinner, 2 hot dogs, 1 cup of broccoli, half a cup of carrots, half a banana, and half a cup of ice cream. Day 3 for breakfast, I have 5 crackers, 1 slice of cheddar cheese, and a small apple. Just another basic egg sandwich. Here we go again with a cup of tuna and a half a banana. And 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. For the rest of the week, I was on a 1500 calorie diet plan. Details of my meal plan in the info box below. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye!